Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Is it not so cute? I know at least 3 people who are about to have a baby in the next few months. Actually 2 of them are about to have a baby in the next 2 weeks. So I need some baby cards, so this is one of them. So let's get started. This is a stamp set. Isn't it cute? Look at them. Oh, they are adorable. Look at them. I love it. So we're going to stamp in some memento because we're going to colour a little bit in with our Stampin' Blend alcohol markers, and I put everything here in my Stamperata, so it's giving it a nice ink up, and then just down, press up. Lovely. I think I made a mess with the sentiment, but we'll do that one again. So let's move around our piece of paper. Take this lovely simple chamois and give everything a clean up. Move that one away because we're done with it now. I'm going to stamp my sentiment again because I boobed. Just give it a little dry. Basically that means rub it on your clothes. Don't tell your mother. So I'm going to just ink this up again. And then just down. Yeah, a bit happier with that. Okay, give it a little clean, and then we're going to start to colour in. So, ouch, I just pinched myself on my stamp case. Not very clever of me, is it? So, get that out the way. Bring this back in, and we're just going to do some quick colouring. So I'm going to put you on fast forward while I do it quickly, but I'll tell you the colours I'm going to use. I've got some Flirty Flamingo here, I've got some Petal Pink, and then I've also got, where is it? This one, Ivory colour, and my colours blender. So let me do my colouring, and then I'm going to cut everything out, just let me tell you now, with these, where are they? Here they are, layered circle dies and the scallop circle dies, and I'm going to do all of that and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so everything's cut out and it's ready to start sticking, so let's put some Tombow on the back of our little baby. That sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? And then we're gonna put this down. This is Flirty Flamingo that I cut out the scallops out of, them just slightly bigger, like that. And then I have a card base here, and this is Flirty Flamingo, a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Flamingo, Flirty Flamingo Designer Series paper. And I'm just going to stick this down to a piece of basic white that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And now my Flirty Flamingo should just be a bit longer because it's a full 6-inch piece. It's 3 inches across, and it's basically it's a 6x6 paper pad, and I cut it in half, and it's the full length because I wanted to make sure that it would fit properly down here. So now let's put this onto our card base. And that should be fine. and then some dimensionals. And we're going to, did I pop this up? Yeah, I did. We're going to be generous with our dimensionals because we don't want this falling apart on someone. So there we go. I always give them a press down because dimensionals like foam tape, you know, double-sided tape, they're all pressure adhesive. So if you give them a good press down, they're going to stick a lot better, and also it's going to be much easier to get the backs off. Now, I can never see if I've got them all off, so I do something very simple. I stick my fingers all over them and then I know I'm okay. So let's put baby there, and let's just get rid of these backings. However hard I try to get rid of these and put them all in the bin and all of that sort of stuff, it never works. I find them all over the house. Don't know if you're the same. Okay, for our sentiment I'm going to use this. This is called the double oval punch, and I'm just going to cut firstly our sentiment out here. So just try and get it, as even as possible. And then I'm going to use a piece here of the Flirty Flamingo, just a piece of scrap, and do the top one. So this gives you your matching and layering perfectly. So get rid of that. And some more Tombow. And then we're just going to stick one to the other, try and get it in the middle. And there's more Tombow on the back. Okay, and just going to see where I think I liked it. Yeah, I like it like that. I'm going to have it like that. And then finishing touches, I've got some of this gorgeous Flirty Flamingo ribbon. And we're going to try a bow. Okay, just try and neaten this up if we can. I'm not good with bows, as anyone who's watched my videos will know, but that seems roughly okay, so let's accept that as what we're going to have and move on. Glue dots. See, I'm going to have to get a new package of glue dots soon. Been using them up. So there we go. There are two little babies, two little twinnies. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. I really would appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video and want more information about the supplies, measurements, all that kind of thing, it's all on the blog post, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.